okay? And the things that I learned in battle plan, you know, this is why I go to those events, guys. Okay, those 2 days, I hate to be away, but I learned so much, and that's the reason why that I keep growing. And I want to share that knowledge with all of you guys. Whoever wants it, of course. But some of you guys don't want it, and I get it. It's okay. Somebody's going to take it. If there's one guy that takes it and works and takes it to the next level, I'm happy. You understand? But the knowledge that I learned, and you were there, right? There's a lot of things that are happening in the automotive industry right now that you guys are not paying attention, okay? A lot of things are happening. This business is the most lucrative business there is. But there's little things like the basics that we don't pay attention to. Right? You come from Chalupa's store, you know, the follow-up. The follow-up is so important, right? They took 200 people in a room and they studied all of them, okay? We are the most hated place to go to, the most. Worse than going to a dentist. They'd rather go to a dentist than come to buy a car. That's how bad it is, okay? Because why? Because we make it that way, right? We don't do business that way, but the perception is that way. And you know what it is. Perception becomes reality. So you have to change the perception of the customer. And there's a lot of changes that I'm going to do in the BDC and you guys. Because you got to be transparent. Right? You got to put yourself in the customer's shoes at the end of the day. Without customers, we can't survive, guys. We're not going to survive. We're building that portfolio at the end of the day, but without customer service, you have the #1 app right now in the automotive industry. Are you using it 100%? Because I'm using it. Every customer I go, I send them my e-card. Everyone that I met there, they all have my name. They all have my number. They're all reaching out to me. There's a guy out in Jersey. He says, yo, man, I started watching your videos. It's pretty cool. He said, can I hire you a camera guy? I said, no. He liked the quality, by the way. I said, no. There's people out there that are 10 years behind the automotive industry. And they expect why certain people are doing better. 10 years behind. It's going to take them 5 years if they start today doing the same things we're doing. So, guess what? 5 years, I want to be 10 years ahead. Okay? The millennials are taking over. So, they're not going anywhere. They're still buying cars. Right? But I want to sell the cars to their kids, their parents, their neighbors. That's how you got to think. But how are you going to get them? If they call you an instant messenger, they want you to message them back the same way. Most of the time, we want to pick up the call. They don't want to be bothered on the phone. They're millennials. They want to text you on DM, on text. When people hit me up on Instagram, I keep the same communication on Instagram. There's a reason why they're texting you on Instagram, guys. Think about that. We want to call them right away. They don't want to talk to you. There's people sometimes I don't want to pick up the call, but I can text them right away, instantly. 98% of texts are answered. How many unanswered texts you have? Think about that. I have 0 unanswered texts. I'm up to 36,000 emails right now, unread. So why would you want to email the customer when it's 98% open their text? Think about that.
You want to see mine? 61,000.
Emails, right? Unanswered.
Even my own partner, right? Andy, he said to me, I sent you an email 2 days ago. Do you read the email? I said, no.
So this is what I'm getting at. Are you learning that? People don't want emails. If they want to email, they would have emailed you back. There is some people that only want to email, right? We get those, right, baby? The pie face of the world. Yeah. We love them too. Huh? Text message, that's the new thing, guys. People are engaged on their phone. 86% of people are watching video. You Google a recipe right now, how to make whatever, okay? It goes in steps, and there's a 15-second video on how to do it. Which one are you going to do? Video. You're going to click on the video, right? Exactly. So why are you not doing videos yourself? To promote yourself. You can't be just Rohan doing lives 19 times a day. Right?
Shit works.
I exaggerate a little bit, but it does work.
Shit works.
You get what I'm saying? You can't be just him. What do you want out of this life, man? At the end of the day. And really deep down, what do you want? What makes you happy? What do you really want? Ask yourself. What's your why? Like, what do you do it every day? What do you want out of it? I know what I want. You guys see, I'm fucking lazy focused. I've never been this focused ever in my life. Like, my wife's like, what the fuck? You just slept for like 4 hours. I'm like, I'm good. I'm ready to go. I wish I had that 10 years ago. I would be able to retire now. You understand? But it's never too late. The Kentucky guy was like 69, something like that, 62, when he started. Right? It's not too late, guys. It's never too late. Find out what your happiness is, and go get it, man. This is the best fucking country in the world that you can do it. Okay? I didn't even graduate high school. That's what I love about it, even more. Because I know people that went to Harvard and asking me for a job. I'm just saying. I don't mean to brag. Okay? But that's just what it is. It's just what it is, man. Bottom line. So, we have 108 appointments today. I know that it looks scary out there. It does. But could be good. Because you know what? That could be actually our benefit. And we can